Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you guys how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Without delaying any more further, let's just jump into the video. So here, open your TikTok and go to your profile. After that, on the top right you will see a three horizontal like icon. Tap on it, then select settings and privacy. Scroll down and under support and about you will see report a problem. Tap on it. Once you're on the page, look for accounts and profile and then select editing profile. After that, tap on other. Select no and then go for need more help. Here, write down your issue. You can even upload a screenshot, video, or a photo from your gallery. Then select done and submit. TikTok will receive your issue and help you fix it within 2 to 3 business days. So that's it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks related to social media. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.